What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are gonna open
some more
holiday magic
mega box
tops cards. So let's get started.
Who's that?
Yelich.
Who's that?
Perez.
Baez.
Mookie Betts. Luis Arraez. Jordan Walker.
We were looking for that one.
Yoshida.
Yep.
Wait, is that Yoshida?
Yeah.
Ward. Anthony Santander. And
Bellinger. Is it Bellinger?
no, that's not Bellinger.
It looks like him, though.
He would not rip his shirt like that.
Did you get any relics yet?
No. Aaron Judge, Justin Turner, Yu Darvish, Shane McClanahan,
Byron Rocio.
Chris Sale, James Outman, Austin Riley, Rutschman.
Yep.
That looks just like Ouchman. Outman. I don't even know what his name is.
Who's that? Miguel Vargas.
Okay. Jeremy Pena. Tony Kemp. Fernando Tatis, Goldschmidt, Jacob deGrom. I have no idea who that guy is.
Yeah.
Rodriguez, Gerson Rodriguez. I don't know who he is.
This is Shea Langley's.
Yeah. Jovado and Suzuka.
So far, no relics.
No relics. JT Realmuto, Pete Alonso.
Nice.
Freddie Freeman. MJ. Michael Jordan. Okay. MJ. I don't know. Joey Votto. This guy's a Gold Glover. Stevenson. Coleman.
Spencer Steer. Tover. Corey Jones. I don't know who these people are.
Yeah, those last. But they're probably going to be good. Matt Chapman at first. Jeter Downs on the Yankees now.
Oh, he got cut from them too.
Matt Maraza. And Andrew McCutchen.
Yep.
Bobby Witt.
Zach Neto. Like us. Blake Perkins. Matthew Libatar. Jake McCarthy.
Yeah, Jake.
Oh, yeah, that's the last two.
Wait, these are the last two in the box?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh. Logan Webb. Keeper her.
Kyle Schwarber.
Carl Strawberry. No, saying his name.
Joe Carlos
Stanton. Corbin Carroll.
Nice. Shea Links, we already got that. Corbin Carroll. Simon Woods Richardson.
Acuna.
Tim.
It's all up to this. Why don't I know? George Springer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we got it.
What is it?
Nick. Ready?
Gabriel Arias.
Gabriel Arias. Part of a jersey.
Nice. The last deck.
Yeah. Chris Bardend. Logan O'Hoppe. Kenny.
Hey, why don't you, what? Oscar Colas and Byron Bello. Alright, why are you starting off?
We did get. Wait, what's it?
Go.
Yeah, so we're gonna end it here. Bye, guys.